So anyway, I had this hood vent left over from remodeling my house. So I decided to take the fan out and make me an air conditioner. So as you can see, here's the fan. And I cut a hole in the top of a cooler. Now there's plastic everywhere. And mounted it. I also took the switch, drilled a hole, wired it up best I could. I hope it don't catch on fire. And then I had me a nice little safe plug-in here. So this is how it works. This is a redneck air conditioner. Because I'm a redneck. What I've done is I have this cooler with some ice in it. And if you can see this, you can see the it's a good way to get electrocuted. Always plug it in last. So you plug it in. And you press the button. Pretty sweet, huh? And then I took the charcoal filter from the vent. So I don't cut my precious little fingers. And mounted it on top of the fan. This didn't take but all day. A couple trips of Lowe's. So that sucks air goes across the ice and goes up these pipes. Nice, cool air for $1.50 a night. How cool is that? I have AC.